Yo boys, what is going on? Alright, so today we took a W trade and made 40 bands. No, we made 40 fucking dollars. Today's trade was a good trade. I guess it was kind of an easy trade, not too hard, but I mean, it was pretty easy. We kind of just knew where price was gonna go. But coming into the day, we're gonna do a quick recap here. It's not gonna be too long because actually, I don't even know, but it was a really good trade today. Today was a really good trade. So coming into the day, again, there's like, wow, it is like up right now. Nothing really we can really see here. I mean, it's just been chop, but I didn't really like have like a kind of thing for daily except for these gaps, which is what I'm thinking we're doing right now, which is getting the reaction off of them, which is so fucking good. I mean, oh my gosh. This is like the weekly reaction I think we're getting as well. Like, we're starting to go up. We've filled in these gaps and we're getting our next extension up. Possibly, geez, why am I like, possibly where I'm thinking this is going to draw to on the weekly is down here. Anyways, that's like my kind of thing for bullish, but 4 hour we were bearish, but I mean, it kind of sounds like I'm going against it, which I guess if you put it like that way, I did. But we also were filling in these gaps. We hit discounted price, which was really good. And also it was looking like we're going to break structure and continue pushing up. So that's what I was kind of feeling, for our buys, which is why I went for buys. Then we come into the hourly, and this is where I marked out a breaker block, or a breaker, no, I'm kidding, that's what TGL says, but we marked out a breaker block. Why we didn't mark out, well, there's an order block, it also got filled, but we just marked out the breaker because it was higher, and it bounced off, and we were starting to get the reaction, so I was like, perfect, bro, we're getting this reaction. I thought, and what I need to improve on is, I saw this and I was thinking we're going to go retrace again. So that's why I had my kind of take profit here instead of here. Because I was thinking we are going to come up and then go down or something like that. But I was wrong and I'm going to work on that. I'm going to put my take profits where I'm thinking price is going to go. Because I was kind of free when I think about it. I mean, we were so bullish. The Great British Pound. The Great British Pound. That's not even fucking British, but it was so strong today. It was the whole day it's been strong, and it's going to continue to go up. We're getting mad reaction, and USD has just been plummeting. USD has been so weak. So I was like, this is perfect, and I should have gone for it. I could have made an extra 20 bands, $20, but yeah, pretty good. That's what we need to work on, but we tapped into this breaker block, started reacting, and yeah, pretty perfect. I have my take profits at previous day. I think this was Asian session highs, and this is London session gaps. Alright, now coming into, we'll just go to the 15-minute because, you know, I really caught this big move. I should have had my take profits higher. We are so gonna rally. If not, we'll push down, but we're gonna rally. It's probably gonna be a high time frame retrace. On the 15-minute, I didn't really look too much into it other than we were in a gap. We did hit discount and we started to rally, and I don't know why, but I was thinking we're overextended, which I guess like at this point we are pretty like extended, and it's not impossible for a retrace, but I was kind of just assuming and like thinking we're just gonna go into a retrace and then rally up. So I had to like focus. I don't know. I was just really thinking that, which is again another reason why I had my take profit here instead of here, which is where I should have had it and where price might reverse. So yeah, and then this is where I entered. So if you come into the 5-minute, we had a discounted price. We entered discounted price. We disrespected this gap on the 5-minute, but in the 1-minute we were still filling in. So I still would, I guess not really say it's valid, but like kinda. I'd still say it's pretty valid. So I kind of just brushed that off. I don't know if that's bad or good. I hope it's not bad. And then There was nothing too much. I just waited. This was like perfect retrace. That was not me. It was a perfect retrace to enter off from. I was like, wow, this is like right before market open. I was patient though. I was patient. I could have entered low, but I waited for this market open and then my confirmation, which I'll show you guys. But we got the reaction. This is again some of my confirmation. Reaction and reaction to the equilibrium. In the 1 minute then, now we go into here, this is the retrace. We broke structure, so then I was waiting for a break of structure back to the upside, which we got right here. I'll mark it out for you guys right here. Waiting for a break of structure back to the upside, which we eventually got. So I started looking for a really good entry. Then we got fills in these gaps right here, which was perfect. Really good entry. I was like very confident on this. I mean, I was a little bit scared of these wicks. What I waited for even more confirmation, I'm gonna go back. We need to go back far. These are gaps on the 5 minute, but we had 5 minute gaps here. We had a pretty big 5 minute gap. So I was I was really waiting and keen for this disrespect in the gap. And then after that, I entered in some consolidation on the 1 minute, which was really good. I think this is like the best entry I could have gotten. Because I can't really, I mean, you'd think it's just you buy at this point, but then you're not 100% sure that it's going to go up. But we were 100%, I was like sure we're going to go up after we broke this gap and we started moving up and we broke structure back. And then, yeah, we didn't really have any moments of going down. Literally just up, and we hit all our take profits. Perfect. And we hit it in literally less than like, I don't know, but it was pretty fast. But we didn't even hit our stops. We didn't even get anywhere near like our losses, so that is crazy. And we had a 1 to 1 3. We risked 3% of my account today. That's actually quite a lot. I'm actually surprised. I risked it because I was thinking we're gonna retrace down in because we're super overextended in the high time frames. So I was thinking we might retrace, take out these lows, and then rally. But we might take profit 1, moved it to $20, so around here. Then take profit 2, break even, take profit 3, and made $40. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys later for tomorrow's video.